Guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Chris. I'm just a regular review guy trying out everyday products, seeing if they actually do what the can says. Guys, today we're shampooing car mats. Yes, we're going to try 3 different car mat carpet cleaners, and then just for funsies, we're going to spray the mats down with some snow foam, some Maxi Suds 2 cherry scent, just to see if it can break down any more dirt that's inside the car mat. First product that we're going to be using is going to be the Blue Magic Carpet Stain Spot Lifter. Now we're going to use this product. The next product we're going to be using is the Blue Coral. Also in the video we will be using the Turtle Wax. Now this cleaner is actually a little bit older of a cleaner, but it's been sitting around the garage, so why not try it since I'm making a video. Not even sure if you can buy this stuff anymore, but we're going to see how this stuff works as well. And just for fun, because I want to spray some foam, we're going to be using the Maxi Suds 2. Amazon, I think it's like 29 bucks for this gallon jug. Guys, so hope you guys enjoy the video. We're going to roll right into it. We're going to start spraying down the car mats. We'll try to do it right. We'll try to do it good, but we're just going to have some fun. So guys, thanks for watching. Let's get on with the video. I also tried in my house certain areas where my dogs pissed on the carpet, but I'm not going to record that because don't whining crybabies on YouTube. Alright guys, so we got that in there. We'll just use this brush here. Just give it a little bit of an agitation. I tried to find my deck cleaning brush just for ease of the video, but couldn't find it. So this is what we'll use. Alright, good enough. The next one we're going to use, guys, is the Blue Coral Upholstery Cleaner Dry Clean Plus with Odor Eliminator. So it's an interior cleaner, stain lifter, carpet, floor mats. It's a deep cleaning foam. It eliminates odor. So if you're flipping cars, we'll see how it works. So it says, do not use on suede, leather, silk, velvet, or your clear plastic. For other fabrics, test on a hidden area prior to use. As always, says first vacuum. Well, we already pre-rinsed and re-rinsed. We'll shake the can. We'll use the brush to work the foam into the surface. It says wipe with absorbent cloth or vacuum area when dry. Well, we're gonna pressure wash it, guys. Okay. As you can see, it sprays out very slowly, but it foams up pretty quickly. Smells just like any other soap. We'll just give it a good rub in. Give it a good rub and tug. Smells good, guys, so that's a good thing. Let's go ahead, we'll let it sit for a couple minutes while it breaks apart the dirt and grime, and then we'll go ahead and we'll get it pressure washed. Alright guys, the soap's been sitting for a few minutes, so let's go and get it pressure washed out. Try some Turtle Wax Power Out Upholstery Cleaner and Protector. It's a deep cleaning foam infused with OxyCleaners for professional results. It's a seek and destroy odors for up to 30 days. Clean, protect fabric, pet stains and odors, food, beverage spills, car seats, home furnishings. The directions: vacuum the loose dirt, shake the can well, rub the foam into the upholstery. And then for tough stains and spot removal, allow up to 1 minute for foam to dwell on stained areas before scrubbing. Repeat as needed. Alright guys, nice wide spray of the foam. Kind of sloppy, but that's alright. This is the second or third soapy view, so sloppy seconds. Alright. We'll let that sit in for a minute just to do its work and break up all the dirt and grime in the mat. Alright guys, that was the Turtle Wax. That was the Turtle Wax Power Out Upholstery Cleaner. Alright guys, so what we're doing next is we are going to spray foam the mats with Maxi Suds 2. It's just a wash shampoo, cherry scent, pH balanced. Now people always ask how I do my mix. I usually do 250 milliliters of soap in the bottle, top it off with hot water, and then just give it a nice little spin, give it a nice little mix. You still need to dial in the foam though. And I am using a Ryobi electric pressure washer, running at 1.7 GPM, about a gallon less than normal, but I don't feel like breaking out the gas-powered pressure washer. So let's get this foam dialed in. Nice little thick mix here. Not trying to waste a bunch of soap, guys. Go ahead and get that spray, the stock ones as well. Alright, don't take much to do that. You can see it's nice and foamy. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. We'll let that sit in there for a minute and then we'll pressure wash it off. Now just so you guys know, the Chemical Guys in no way at all ever expresses that this is a carpet cleaner. I'm doing this just for fun for the video because it's kind of like how I do my videos. If you guys want to see professional detailers, there's thousands of them on YouTube. If you guys want to see how products work for fun, then that's what I'm here for. But I'm never going to tell you guys to do something to your car that's going to damage it either. And if a product sucks, I'm going to be honest about it as well. But I love Chemical Guy stuff. Some of it I don't. Some of it I do. The one thing that Chemical Guys has going for it for sure is the smell. Most of their products smell fantastic. The Maxi Suds smells like a cherry dipped ice cream cone. Makes your whole driveway smell amazing when you're washing your cars with it. Guys, let's go and get this rinsed off. That passenger side mat wasn't too dirty to begin with. Pulled a little bit off, but we also didn't agitate anything. So let's go ahead and do the driver's side next. Actually, let's go ahead and get the back side cleaned. guys, thanks for watching the video. That does it for our test on a couple carpet cleaners that I picked up at the local AutoZone parts place. The first one we used was the Blue Magic. This stuff smells good, works great. You got to mix it up pretty well, because if you don't, when you spray it, it sprays out in a stream, not a nice fan. Works good. I'm going to try it on some of the pet stains in my house where my dog's pissed on the carpet. Like if you have a dog, you know, they like to piss on carpet for some reason. Anyways, we're going to try it on that too. I may make a video, a quick review using these products on that. Not sure yet, but we'll see. Second product was the Blue Coral upholstery cleaner, odor eliminator. Stuff smells good. Seemed to work pretty great as well. Comes with a brush on the head so you can scrub it. But I found that using the Chemical Guy stiffy brush you use on tires worked actually better. But this stuff here was like $9 at the store. I think the other cleaner was $9 as well. The third item we used was the Turtle Wax Power Upholstery Cleaner. Now this is an older product. It's been sitting around in my garage, but I wanted to give it a try. Built-in brush, which is nice. It doesn't get all wonky when you're scrubbing the carpet. Spray, nozzle, spray while you brush, which is nice and clean. So that was pretty cool. Did it work as good as the newer product? No, it didn't, because I actually scrubbed the carpet with this. Then I applied the Magic cleaner to it, and that Magic pulled more dirt out, right? This product, yeah, I mean, it's old. It did somewhat of a job, but not as good as the new stuff. And the final product we used just for the fun of it was the Maxi Suds 2 Cherry Scent Cleaner. Obviously, not recommended to clean your upholstery or your floor mats in your car, but we did it anyways. This stuff smells great, foams great. It seemed to get some more dirt out of the mat, but the mat was pretty dirty. So this stuff here is about $29 on Amazon as well. Probably wouldn't use it to clean all my mats, but if you're spraying down a car and you're detailing, I don't know, why not? I'm not a detailer, but it seems to do the job pretty well. Now, all these cleaners, all three of the cleaners do require you to agitate, and I agitated a little bit, but not as much as you probably need to make it work 100% effectively. I'm just a regular review guy. I'm not a professional detailer. I'm the type of user that just wants to spray and go, right? So that's how I kind of do my videos. I appreciate you all watching. Thumbs up if you like the video. Give me a thumbs down so I know how to make my content better for you guys. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Keep on washing your cars.